See, in the last lecture, we talked about the three different Newton's laws. First one was the Newton first law, then the second law, and the third law. Today, we are going to talk about the inertial frame of reference and non-inertial frame of reference. The MCQ is based on like this. What is the frame of reference? A system of coordinate axes which represent the position of a body or an event in 2 or 3 dimensions space is called frame of reference. The MCQ will be there. Okay. Then important thing is that a reference frame in which Newton's laws are valid are called as the inertial frame of reference. That MCQ will be there based on this particular part. What I said, a reference frame in which the Newton laws are valid are called as inertial frame of reference. And non-inertial frame of reference will be the exactly opposite to that. The frame of reference in which the Newton's law of motion does not valid are called as non-inertial frame of reference or accelerated frame of reference. It is also called as the accelerated frame of reference, whereas inertial frame of reference is called as unaccelerated frame of reference. Okay. These two MCQs will be there based on this particular part. Then we can see the next part. When we deal with this particular Newton's laws of motion, as we see in the equation of the motion which describes the behavior of the physical system as a set of mathematical function in terms of the variables. There are the two main descriptions of the motion such as the dynamic and the kinematics or say kinetics. In dynamics, momenta, force and the energy of the particles are taken into account. However, in the kinematics concept only spatial and time related variables are taken. The kinematics include the quantity, displacement, velocity, acceleration and the time. When we are working with the Newton's law of motion, at that time systematic algorithm should be written and applied. Deciding the system, identifying the force, making the free body diagram and choosing the axis and writing the equations are the steps of the systematic algorithm. That steps are given in the details. We are not going in this particular detail. Yes, beta. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। एमसीक्यूज के लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि एमसीक्यूज तो सारे पार्ट पे रहेंगे ना। ये न्यूमेरिकल्स है दैट आई एम नॉट टेकिंग इन कंसिडरेशन। Okay. See, MCQs are there. Few MCQs are there. Newton's law of motion are valid only in ... Law of inertia in is Newton's ... law of motion. Then centrifugal force is dot dot force. Okay, yeah, as you said, the force is there. Okay, yeah, identifying the forces. Please go through these three basics laws and that the pseudo force, whatever you have, MCQs will be there based on this part only. We are not going to ask the numericals in the MCQs because numericals are the too lengthy. Okay, I said different types of the numericals will be there based on this part only. Please go through this part. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask.